Okay guys, we've got an absolute beautiful padlock today, one of my favourite padlocks. I've been after one of these for quite some time actually. The ANCHOR LÅS 800-3, made in Sweden. Beautiful, beautiful high security padlock with an 11 disc detainer core, as you can see by the key profile there. Absolutely awesome lock, and I like the way they've actually engraved the actual profile of the key on the body, which actually corresponds with the actual bow of the key. And of course we just insert the key that way, and of course the lock will open. Lovely ball bearing mechanism. Beautiful, beautiful padlock, really one of my favorite padlocks. To pick it, obviously we've made another cheap homemade, another cheap disc detainer lock, and we've modified it, of course. So we've used a 6mm stainless tube that I've ground down. I've had to grind a little bit off the sides to actually sort of fit into the keyway. And then you can see these two prongs, obviously, to tension it. And as you can see by the lock itself, obviously we're right there. The actual core is actually countersunk right into the actual body of the lock, so hence why I needed to sort of get this to actually get into it. Yeah, the pick is this is the first one I made, and it's a little bit tricky. I might go back to the drawing board and just sort of make another one to sort of make the process a little easier, but it gets the job done, which is what we want. And of course I'm going to dedicate this pick to Chris Capune, because he's got a 200 sub giveaway. In fact, I think he's actually about 230 plus now, so congratulations Chris. And he's running a competition, giveaway competition, which I believe is an Ingersoll, a 10 lever Ingersoll lock. So a beautiful, beautiful prize. Now I'm not actually going to enter myself. It's just I'm going to do this, and obviously he'll donate my entry to somebody else, whoever he wants to. Just put the hashtag 200 Chris giveaway, I think, which I'll make sure is actually running across here, and I'll also leave a link for Chris Capune's fantastic YouTube channel. Anyway, listen, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, then hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, and you'll see every video as it's uploaded. Okay, listen, let's get on with picking this lock. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got the lock in the vise, and of course it's working absolutely flawlessly, and she's all locked up, as you can see. Okay, let's get this pig in there and see if I can get it to work. Yeah, tricky lock, this one. It's not going to be a quick pick, I'm afraid, chaps, but like I say, there's not that many of them picked on YouTube. Certainly not with a homemade tool anyway. So we will do our best. Come on, that's not a good start. This tool just goes in one way, that's it. Okay, so we're 1 minute into it already. Let's get it picked. Okay, so we're just we picked up the first disc. Okay, that's 2. Didn't like that, see? Okay, that's 2. Good, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. I always struggle to get onto for some reason. I don't know quite why. I'll just jump through it. It's probably a different profile disc. Come on, get out of there. I'm on it now. Okay, that's 8. Come on, where's 9 gone? Come on, don't do this to me now. Oh, come on. The downfalls for having a homemade tool. If I'm being honest, I don't really know what the actual pick tip should look like in a proper one, so I've just kind of done with what I think is the right way to do it. Okay, there. I think that was 8 again. Okay, so we still haven't found 9. There's 9. Okay, that's 9. Okay, let's get to 10. 10 is there. Between 10. So let's jump down to 11 then. That's good. That's 10, 11. We just need to try and find 10 again, and then we can start top and start again. 4 minutes into it, it's not too bad. We were 1 minute before we started. Okay. Come on. There. Okay. And I think we are open. Absolutely awesome. First time I've opened it. Okay, I am happy. Let's get the pinning tray over and let's get these discs out of here. Okay, there you go. Absolutely superb. Shall we lock it back up? Yeah, let's lock it back up. Okay, let's get this pick out. Make sure I stay in camera. Okay, so I know we've got an Allen key to go through there. Let's just get a pinning tray over. Okay, I'm happy actually. I'm happy I got that, and not too bad a time. It's as I said, a very tricky lock to pick with so many discs. Okay, let's get this out of here. Okay, and then as you can see, we've got the spinner disc there. Put that there, and then disc 1. Okay, and the last one. Okay. Wow. Okay, and that's obviously the cartridge there. Awesome, awesome, awesome lock. Okay, let's just move that to there. Move that to there, and let's get you zoomed in. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 discs. Absolutely awesome. And let's just take a random one, and I'll show you the false gates. As you can see by there, you can see the false gate on that one there. I think they've all got false gates actually. No, the bottom one hasn't there. Another one there's got the false gate there. And another false gate there. So yeah, they've all got a false gate on, which obviously just made it to be a little tricky. 2 false gates on the third one there, as you can see. And then obviously a spacer there, and then obviously just the sidebar there. Absolutely awesome. I'm very happy I managed to get that picked on camera. I know it took a couple of minutes longer than I'd like to have done, but there you go, the ANCHOR LÅS 800-3 11 disc detainer lock picked on camera. Listen guys, thanks ever so much, and of course I'll catch up with you next time.